All right. Hello, everybody. This is going to be the Gooey Daisy 105B power plant reassembly, or any other Daisy for that matter. And we're going to reassemble. So here's the parts for the power plant. Drilled out air tube. There's going to be a 1/2-inch spacer and a washer, spring, the air cup, and the other parts. So as you can see, the spacer and the washer are already on. Put the spring on and we'll compress it. Okay. Okay, that should be enough room. Now we'll assemble the air tube. Okay. Then a washer, oil wiper, and let's see if it'll go in easy. Oh, very easy. My new little toy here helps a lot. There you go, power plant reassembled, drilled to 7/64, ready to go. Later today I plan to reassemble the Gooey 105B. Little advanced picture. What I've done with the chassis. Green, I'm going to need to reinstall the shot tube, and that's new to me. I'm going to build a tool in a few minutes. I might do a video on that, I might not. I might use the tool I just install abutment seals with, and I'll take this old plunger I have, I'll probably cut this off right here and maybe glue it to that, and then I can put it on there, and this slot will grab in here and it'll help me to clock it inside properly, so that when we look inside we can see the BB where it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Comments, good or bad, help me to grow. Thank you.